What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video at DSR, and today we're going to be changing the air filter on the KTM 250 EXC. The first we're going to do is we're going to remove the old air filter. You're going to push this retaining bar in, and you're going to release it from the bottom part of the air box by the metal latch just there. Okay, once you've released it from there, you're going to pull that out and then release the old air filter. Okay, so we've got the old air filter there, and inside you have the KTM air filter insert. We're going to remove the old air filter from the insert, and we're going to keep hold of that. Right, so on the old filter, okay, you've got the 3 nipples protruding from the insert. All right, you're just going to remove the old air filter from the cover. Okay, so that's what you're going to be left with. And then that, I'm just going to put in the bin. Okay, so now I'm going to go outside with the new air filter and with my foam air filter oil spray can. Okay, I'm going to spray the outside and the inside of the new filter. All right, using my hands to work it in between the fibres. We've got the new air filter here, all right, that's been freshly oiled and sprayed up. And then from there, you're going to take the insert and you're going to place it into your new air filter. Okay, so we've got the 3 holes on the sides, and you're going to marry them up with the 3 nipples of the air filter cover. Once you're happy, push the centre part through the hole, and then you're going to feed the edges of the new air filter around the cover. Once all the edges are round, okay, you're going to find the nipples and you're going to push them through those holes. Cool, so that's now the new air filter placed inside the cover. Okay, so on the insert, on the inside, all right, there's these 2 larger lips. All right, those are going to go on the inside of the air box on the right hand side of the bike. So from there, you're going to make sure you get a nice tight seal from the air filter to the air box. Once you're happy, place the centre retainer bolt inside the middle of the air filter, and then the bottom latch just hooks on. Put your hands around the back, make sure you're happy, make sure there's a tight seal. Okay, so that's the new air filter now installed. Last thing to do is replace your fairing. Okay guys, that's the air filter into the bike, good to go. So on the next video we'll be installing these RFX grips. And if you like this video, please make sure you like and subscribe, okay? Leave any comments below and I'll make sure I read them.